Hello, Hanle Julie, and welcome back to Padmahouse Astronomy. So today the weather is very clear and steady. So we got very lucky, the perfect night for the observation through the telescope. So tonight we will look at Jupiter and its moon. So after that we will also check out our own moon. So right now the moon is in first quarter phase. So later that we will go on the Venus. So it will be seen in near the western horizon. So let's check it out, guys. So right now we have just placed our telescope outside. We can't start observing immediately because of the air temperature and the telescope temperature are totally different. So guys, if the telescope was warmer than the outside air, so the image would look very shaky and blurry type. So we let our telescope cool about 3 to 4 minutes. So this cooling has been very important, guys. So without it, the star would have looked very soft and unclear image. So after once the temperature match, the telescope can give us a very clean and sharp view. So guys, now the telescope is ready for the alignment. So now we are using the two-star alignment. So this helps the telescope understand the sky. So guys, it can point accurately. So guys, if the alignment was not done properly, the telescope would miss the object after the alignment. So now we're looking up at Jupiter. So that is the bright steady light. We can see that is a Jupiter. So it is not a star. It's just like star, but it is exactly not a star. It is a planet. It is the largest planet in our solar system, and even from so far away, so it shines very clearly. So now let's observe Jupiter through the telescope. So take a look. So we can see the line on it. So those are the cloud bands. So now we look very carefully near the Jupiter, we can see the tiny dots around it. So those are its moons. So they are moving around to Jupiter just like our moons moving around the Earth. So if you check tomorrow, they will be in different positions. So now we can see one by one and have a look. So many of them, this is the first time to see Jupiter like this, and this is the usually the moment everyone enjoy the most. So now while we are here, so look at toward the western horizon, so we will notice a very bright object that is a Venus. So it is the brightest planet in our sky. So it is actually set shortly after the sunset. So now let's move to something very closer. So our moons tonight, the moon is in its phase. We can see the first quarter. So it's a perfect for observation. So now we look at through the telescope, we can see the craters and shadow very clearly. So that shadow lines make the surface look more detailed and more beautiful. So that actually one of the best time to observe the moon. So now tourists are looking at the moons. Some are very quiet, some are say wow, they are very enjoy this moment. So tonight we explored the Jupiter and its moons and Venus near the horizons and our moons, and from the distant planets to something very close to us. This is the beauty of the night sky. आपने बोला सर्कल जैसा नहीं नहीं कोई नहीं दिखा बस नहीं कर